Choosing the right managed IT service provider can feel overwhelming. There are hundreds of vendors offering hundreds of services. The risk? Picking an MSP based only on cost or a long service list without knowing if they're actually the right fit. Chris Power, CEO of Power Consulting, says it best. It's better to choose an MSP based on a vetted list of qualifiers specific to your needs. To make the right decision, you need a checklist built around your business. That starts with a clear picture of your current IT setup: hardware, software, networks, cloud systems. From there, match those assets to your business goals. If you're expanding or planning tech upgrades, your IT partner needs to keep pace. You also need to identify weak spots. Are you overspending on IT tools? Are support issues slowing down your team? The right MSP can fix these problems and reduce IT-related costs by up to 45%. Staffing is another factor. If your in-house team can't manage day-to-day IT, your MSP should step in. Add budget constraints, support requirements, and risk tolerance to the mix, and you'll start to see how complex this decision really is. That's why your checklist must include non-negotiables, like strong cybersecurity, transparent pricing, a clear recovery plan, and a customer support team that actually picks up the phone. Once your checklist is in place, turn it into a discovery call questionnaire. For every item, ask targeted questions like, "Can you walk me through your data recovery process?" That's how you get real answers, not just sales talk. You can read the full article now on our website. And if you found this helpful, add it to your playlist to keep it handy.